I'm in to get the most.
Yo, what is going on YouTube? It's your boy Alexandrus, and today I'm back again with another video. Today guys, I'm on sunny Malta guys, Valletta, really beautiful here. I really like it down there. Let me know whether you have been in Malta or no, but yeah, I'm really enjoying the weather here, and overall the island is pretty nice. But one thing I need to tell you guys is that you need to get used to the left hand drive, you know, that you don't actually drive on the right lane but on the left lane. So yeah, that's kind of tricky, but once you get used to it, it's actually cool. I mean, I guess it's called right hand drive after all, but you know what I'm trying to say. Anyway guys, that's not about flexing that I'm in Malta. Obviously this video will be about a gaming platform called LuckyBlock, as you can see from the title. And well, before we start with the video guys, as always, I need to let you know that you should always do your own research, always do your own due diligence, because I don't take any responsibility for your actions. And with that being said, we can dive right into it guys. So as you know, I'm not really into reviewing gaming platforms too often. Well, today I am, you know. So yeah, you may ask why. Well, LuckyBlock guys, LuckyBlock actually, they do have their own token as well. So they are into crypto obviously, and it's a crypto gaming platform after all, so it makes sense to kind of review them if you think about it. I'm also in Malta, so you know, you need to use the opportunity, I guess, to kind of show you the thing. But basically guys, at LuckyBlock they promise you an unparalleled VIP gaming experience. Their platform is basically designed to offer fast, secure crypto transactions, generous bonuses, which we will cover as well, and exclusive different VIP perks guys. Speaking of VIP perks, they also offer multiple VIP experiences. They also had their Vegas trip, which you can see some of the clips right now on your screen guys. So that's kind of cool. I wanted to show you that as well, because there is not many platforms that do it actually, and you know, they are pushing this Vegas content. They also have it on their YouTube channel, so I gotta give them a credit obviously. And another great news regarding LuckyBlock guys is that they have contracted, they are partnered up with Michael Bisping, UFC legend guys. So you can also see the clip on your screen right now. So yeah, this is not your regular gaming platform obviously guys. They are a bit more than that if you think about it. Getting back to the token for a second, it is obtainable on Uniswap. So if you want to buy their token, then you can do it via Uniswap or different exchanges such as MXC and Gate.io. So back to the platform we go guys. With their high betting, fast withdrawals, sophisticated gaming platform and sportsbook offerings, as well as vibrant community, every moment at LuckyBlock is an invitation to indulge the ultimate blend of excitement and exclusivity. As their #1 VIP crypto gaming platform, they really commit to meeting and exceeding their players' expectations, ensuring a gaming experience that's as rewarding as it is exhilarating guys. And the great thing about them is they have a Telegram support, which is fully responsive. You know, if you need any help anytime, then you can definitely go ahead and contact them via Telegram. They are very fast to respond guys, and this is something that is definitely worth mentioning, because you don't want to be stuck with an issue that can't be resolved. Well, they are here to help you and to resolve it. A long story short, they have their sportsbook here. As you can see, they have nice UI here, very intuitive, very easy to get started with it, as you guys can see. And they have a wide range of different sports that you can play on. So you have soccer, you have tennis, you also have esports games, you even have horse racing. So if you are into this kind of stuff, if you want to do it with crypto, then guys, you are able to do so at LuckyBlock, okay? So as I said, they have partnered up with MMA legend Michael Bisping, you know, and players will be actually able to win exclusive perks, signed merchandise, VIP access, UFC experiences. So it's a great collaboration. You can even see see the banner here right now. Oh, it went it went away. But yeah, very good and very nice milestone, I would say, from them. Another great thing, they are fully licensed, obviously, and as you can see, they have this special bonus for a 200% bonus up to 25,000 euros plus free spins as well, guys. So you might ask what the requirements are. You can go to promotions and then welcome offer. That's what interests us. You hit read more, and that's how you can get all the informations. Okay, so basically you register a new account at LuckyBlock, you make a first time deposit of at least 20 euros, and every time you wager your initial deposit 6 times, 10% of the bonus is released, okay? Plus every time depositor of 20 euro or more gets instantly credited with 50 free spins on Wanted Dead or a Wild game. So on top of, you know, on top of your bonus, of your regular bonus, you also get your spins. So let's say, for example, you deposit 100 euros, you receive your 50 free spins, and for every 600 euros wagered, you will be credited 20 euro in cash. There is also full terms and conditions. They are very transparent about it. So all the promotions that you have here, guys, if you want to use any of them, you can always hit read more and go ahead and basically check out how these are, you know, how these work. They also have tournaments. They, you know, that's pretty cool that they actually have tournaments, and you can participate in those tournaments in many different ways. As you can see, this is your profile right here. You have different missions which you can also utilize. For example, you wager 80 euros on your favorite slots and then you get free spins for free. Then you also have other rewards, guys, and you can level up. So, you know, it kind of offers you this unique gaming experience that I haven't personally seen on other gaming platforms when it comes to crypto. Well, they are very unique in what they do, and you know, obviously, guys, whenever you decide to play on such platforms, always, if you decide to do it, or I should say never put the money that you can't afford to lose, because obviously you can lose here, okay? It's not like you will always win, but they make it kind of more fun, the way that, you know, even if you lose, then maybe you will level up and then get something from your level, or if you win, then you also have nice bonus on that. So, you know, they have this really cool approach that I actually really like. And you have different games of the week, you have tournaments, as you can see, in which not as many people are taking part, so you can also, because, well, some people might not be even aware of those tournaments, you can have a good chance to win. So, for example, you have this 100,000 euro prize pool football season. And then you also have your rules, how to participate in this particular tournament, what is the current leaderboard, who is winning, who has the most score, what are the rewards. And as you guys can see, it's very simple and easy to join. Then you also have your levels, as you can see, different levels give you different perks and bonuses, and then also you can level up with points. It shows you how many level points you need. Then you also have your wheels. These are the wheels that you can unlock for leveling up or completing different missions. You know, you have different bonuses, guys, so it's really cool. In order to access it, you just need to go to the gamification section, or do it as I did it through the promotions section, right? Then you also have their VIP club, guys. This is something that I was showing you at the beginning of this video. They are doing a lot of VIP experiences, you know, their Vegas trip and all of that. So it's also pretty cool that you are kind of included in this exclusive community of LuckyBlock, guys. You get different weekly cashbacks, dedicated VIP manager who will look out after you. Then you also have rakeback and VIP exclusive tournaments and rewards as well. You have the benefits written down. You also have your FAQ, so if you want to learn more about the benefits, account manager, what they do, then you can also learn that. But it gives you some nice cashbacks and rakebacks as well. So honestly, it's pretty cool. You know, I really like the approach. That's basically what I'm trying to say. They have wide variety of games from different providers. Obviously, they also have the live games that some of you might be familiar with. They have the sports, which are very nice, as I showed you. They also have this jackpot, as you guys can see. So yeah, they do have a lot of things, okay? They do have a lot of things in which you can kind of, you know, see them around, play, have fun, and maybe on top of that, you will also be, you know, awarded with something more, okay? Then you also have the loyalty program, but yeah, I mean, I'm getting a little bit, you know, ahead of my schedule because I want to tell you some more things as well, okay? So well, what is the loyalty program? Okay, the loyalty program, guys. Okay, you can earn points through wagering, unlocking levels and rewards. So how it actually works: you wager in games to earn points, advancing through levels for rewards, guys. So what is the point system? Point system is that for slots you get €1, you bet €1, you get 3 points. When it comes to sports betting, you bet €1, you get 6 points, and when it comes to other games, there is 2 points for each €1, okay? And then you have those levels, and they are exciting, man. You have all 11 exciting levels. They all have their unique benefits. You have daily wagering streaks. Daily streaks offer spins on the wheel for rewards. Then you also have daily streak 1 spin per day, or super streak 3 spins per day at certain level. Different rakebacks again, point levels, and as you can see, wheel rewards, guys. So it's pretty exciting. It's very cool because you actually again get additional rewards for playing. So if you were to play anywhere else, maybe you wouldn't get them, okay? And at LuckyBlock you can actually get them. So there is also mega streak, guys, which is 7 spins per day on higher levels, and you can maximize your benefits. You can play more to earn points faster, reach level thresholds for upgrades, check your level for new rewards, start enjoying rewards, and spin the wheel, guys. If you need any sort of help with that, you can always contact their support for help. They also have their own mini app on Telegram, so if you want to play, for example, on your phone or something, then you are able to access them via your phone. They do accept multiple different cryptocurrencies, guys. As you can see, there is a lot of them, obviously including their own, which, as I said, is available on Uniswap, guys. So if you want to get started here, you literally can use any of those currencies. You know, you have Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, Dogecoin, Ethereum, Tether, Cardano, Tron, BNB, Ripple, Ton, you know, LuckyBlock, Tama, Matic, Floki. So you have literally whatever you think of is probably on this list. And how to register? You can obviously register with your email, password and your nickname regularly, or you can also use Wallet Connect or MetaMask in order to get registered, which is way easier in my personal opinion. So that's one way to do it, guys. And if you want to buy a LuckyBlock, then you can also basically, guys, you can buy the V2 version. That's the version you want to look out for. If you had V1 version, they also had this bridge here, but basically you want to buy the V2 version, which will be linked down below in the description of this video, obviously, and then you can play with this one, okay? As I said, it is on multiple exchanges, guys. Very easy to access, very easy to get it. So that's what I wanted to show you today, and I'm thinking that it actually might be it. They also have their blog page and help page. If you need any sort of help, then you can go on their blog. They have some cool articles. They even have some explanations how to play in some of the games. For example, you have a blackjack here, when should you split? So they even give you the strategies, which is always nice and appreciated, guys. You have different bonuses. You have this gamification, which I really like because it's something really unique. So really you can get those wheel spins here quite easily, and you can, as I said, have fun, maybe win something on your way. So if you want to test it out, you can go ahead and do so, guys. Obviously, I will also link their Twitter down below in the description of this video, guys. That's where they are pretty active. They are posting regular updates and news. So if you want to stay updated with what happens in LuckyBlock, then you can follow them on Twitter, guys. And that will be it from me for today, for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed, and if you did, you can let me know in the comment section. And that's it. See you guys in the next videos coming out soon.